Okay, we are back at it, solving for x, an unknown number, in a two-step equation. And today we are going to answer, what is 4x plus 8 equals 32? What is x? So here we go. Right now, x is being multiplied by 4. Remember, when you see a number and a letter, that's called a constant and a variable. When you see a number and a letter right next to each other like that, that's a multiplication question. So I have 4 being multiplied by x, and then this entire equation has 8 being added to it. And our goal is to get x alone. So the first thing I do is I draw a line down my equal sign. And what this reminds me to do is to do whatever I do on the left side, I have to do on the right side to keep both sides equal to each other. Got to keep it even, okay? So before I can touch the fact that x is being multiplied by 4, we're going to not worry about that just yet. We need to take care of the fact that 8 is being added to it. In order to get rid of the 8 so that 4x can be left alone, we are going to subtract 8. We're subtracting 8 because subtraction is the opposite of addition, and subtracting 8 from both sides, because whatever I do here, I do there. And so over here, that is going to cancel out my 8s because I had a positive 8, I had a negative 8, and now I have no 8s. And over here, I have 32 minus 8. Now, I can do this math in my head. A lot of you can. I know that a lot of our friends, it's okay. We're going to take a calculator because better safe than sorry, right? You don't want to be off by one number. 32 by, oh, here we go. Clear, clear. 32 minus 8. Better safe than sorry. We don't want our entire equation thrown off because we made a tiny mistake. So 32 minus 8 equals 24. Equals 24. So I can bring down my 4x here. I have 4x equals 24. Now, my goal is to separate x from the 4. What is being done to x right now? It is being multiplied by 4. What is the opposite of multiplication? Division. So I'm going to divide this by 4. And if I divide the left side by 4, I have to divide the right side by 4. So 4 and 4 right here, x is being multiplied by 4, and then it's being divided by 4. So that is going to cancel each other out. And that leaves me alone with x right here. X equals 24 divided by 4. What is 24 divided by 4? 24 divided by 4 is 6. X equals 6. Now, because we want to be sure that we did not make any mistakes, we are going to take our x and we are going to enter it back into our original equation to make sure that it is in fact true. We want both sides to equal each other. So my original equation was 4x plus 8, and instead of x, I'm going to insert the number 6, and I'm going to multiply 4 by 6. So I have 4 times 6 plus 8 equals 32. 4 times 6 is 24, plus 8 equals 32. And what is 24 plus 8? 24 plus 8 is 32. So 32 equals 32. Both sides equal each other, which makes our x 6. We were correct. Well done, us.